Very soon, I'll be looking so good, like a Ghanaian woman.
What do they like? It's chilled.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. If you see wetin make you fall in love, don't forget to subscribe after you watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. All my returning, I appreciate you guys. All my returning, I appreciate. All my returning, the good Lord bless you. I do appreciate every one of you. Okay. Today I bring our sister Africa Tiger to this my table today. My people, I was shortalized to my bone marrow. I was short. I tell Coco girl. I tell this lady, what's her name? The traveler mix. That is Susan. If you want to enjoy yourself in West Africa food, go to quality restaurants. You will enjoy yourself. The reason why I talk that part, if you never watched that my video, go and watch when I talk about West Africa food. If maybe you want to go tourist, go there, prepare yourself. They chop money die, they chop money wella. Yesterday I see this our sister Africa Tiger. She said, wow, I enjoy this rice. I want that part. She still say, wow, I enjoy this part. I want that part. I say, you when you say, in fact, belle don dey purge you. The reason why they say, if you be West Africa lady or West Africa person in the house, you will understand me. When you give birth, mostly when we did this Western world, when we give birth to our children, we want to start to teach our children how to eat our food, our pepper food. There is where we go start reducing pepper because we want to teach our children how to eat food, how to eat our food, pepper food, our natural food, our West Africa food. Then you go reduce pepper. The way you eat pepper when you be single, when you never start to have children, you will reduce pepper so that your children will enjoy that food. They will try to start learning it. Then if you want, maybe like this our sister now, Africa Tiger, there is food she eats for Lagos. That food, in fact, she said the food they do her stomach, they purge her stomach, and this lady also, Susie, she still complain about Ghanaian food, this, that. I write and say, go to quality restaurants. Invest on your travel. You will get it back. I believe Africa Tiger, she invests on her travel. Then she jump big fish. This big fish can't carry her out. She can't go flex her. Now this Africa Tiger start to speak in tongue. I say, now who they talk so? He say, I enjoy the food. Because the way normal restaurants and international restaurant, that is mature restaurant, the way they cook is different. Normal restaurants, it will cook just normal. The way they used to cook at home, the way they used to cook there. Not the food will not sweet, it will sweet. They will just look at it, it's just normal random people. But those international restaurants, there is international restaurants, yes. Quality restaurants in Africa, in West Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, any part of West Africa. They will cook it according to tourists. Tourists can come. They will reduce the pepper. They will put pepper at one side. In case you are the typical Nigeria, you love to eat pepper, then you can add pepper. But maybe if you are tourist, you can eat that food and enjoy it. I was so shortalized yesterday when our sister Africa Tiger said, I enjoy this food. Let me play it before you guys will come for me. Let's play. And I see this comment for our comment section. I first say it before though. Some people say, oh yeah, let's listen.
What's up?
How you day?
I'm good. I'm welcoming African Tigers to Abuja.
To Abuja.
To experience Abuja lifestyle, and she likes it. She likes it already. It's much more calmer. I think.
Yeah.
It fits the Kenyan vibes. Calmer.
Yes, this one feels like Kenya. That's why I like it. Yeah.
It feels much like Kenya. So yeah, I agree with you.
Happy to meet you. No, you can't tell me Lagos is better. Abuja is better. Cheers. This pineapple rice shared platter is one of the best meals that I have tasted. The food here just super amazing. Oh my goodness, it's so tasty. You can feel the flavor, You can feel the flavors dissolving very well into your mouth. And I never knew that cooked pineapple tasted really good.
What is your favorite Nigerian food?
Yeah, I like it, but now I like Abuja more.
What do you like most about Abuja?
What do I like? It's chilled.
Oh yeah, fair.
Yeah, it's chilled. It's like Kenya. It's like Nairobi.
And now, this is what Abuja looks like at night from above. The view here is viewing. I'm in love, honestly. Was it on this side? All right, cool. Ooh, what a beautiful evening, here's for me. Like that. How was your evening?
It was good.
Really?
Yeah.
1 out of 10?
I think it's a much more authentic.
No, I love it. I love it.
Yeah, but this one was very,
Thank you so much.
Pasta.
No, I love it.
Yeah, this one was like that elanke you sit on the floor.
No, I don't want to sit on the floor.
My people, we don't carry, in fact, Africa Tigrate. For the first time, when I watch her live stream, the way she defend Nigeria, when one JJ person right say, oh, Nigeria, you this, bra. Not try also. You want to chill like a big boy. What kind of sweet soul then full Nigeria? Not try also. Not try us. How to show love. How to give her Anyhow, we did there. I know say this our young sister, this our Africa Tigress, she love Nigeria. I know. In fact, the rights are over from her head to her toe. The rights are over her body, over her life, over her soul. One person, may I read only this comment. When I see her, I burst like say, young lady, you love Nigeria so much. And I am sure you are a Nigeria born in Kenya. Wishing you a good Nigeria husband, my dear. Our sister laugh. This person say, young lady, you love Nigeria. She really love Nigeria. Africa Tigress, she love Nigeria. I pray for her to, jam the love of her life in Nigeria. When you, like me, when I grow up, I love to marry in my side, I really love to marry my side. My brother wife go say, oh, you always, when she can finally say, she can say, your dream come to pass. Nothing pass where you like to marry, you find your love there. It's sweet, it's perfect too. I can't wait for Africa Tigrate to announce and say, if she not will announce her, at least I just know say now my bongo, my Naija, na pakasha. I pray the good husband, nowhere bad, not day, nowhere good, not day. I pray the good husband locate you as he locate our wifey when you just locate to UK. That is what will be your name. I don't know, Sharon. Yes, I hope so, like that. I hope Africa Tigrate to find the love of her life from Nigeria. Okay, my people, let me end this video with Miss Judy. Now my wife, if my wife not the do one well, I need to still tell her and say, my wife, the do one well. I watched this video when she escorted her mother-in-law, when her mother-in-law enter her boss, when her mother-in-law they go, when she come, before they talk too much, let's watch Miss Judy and her mother-in-law before we end the video. Okay.
We say everything with a beginning has an end, so we are heading to the airport. It's time to say goodbye.
What is it called? I was eating, not mabuyu. Is it kwaju? The mango, the dried mango. I think it has made my mouth so red. Yeah. So anyway, you guys are probably wondering where is Maya. Maya decided to go for an event very last minute. I tried to warn him. I didn't want him to be late, but Maya is Maya. He loves doing things last minute. So he says he's gonna meet us at the airport. We're actually supposed to go pick him up, but because of time, I think we're just gonna go straight to the airport. Yeah. My mother-in-law has such a sense of style. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Like she can dress, so hey, is it is it a Ghanaian thing to dress very well? Is it Ghana thing, or are you the one who has a sense of style?
It's part of Ghanaian dress.
Ghanaian dressing. Hey, they can dress. They dress so well. Hey, I hope it's gonna rub off on me, so I can also be dressing really well like her.
So that I dressed you as Ghanaian.
Yes,
I will do that.
Thank you. Better than me, guys. Very soon, I'll be looking so good, like a Ghanaian woman. Bagel.
So yeah, this is us heading to the airport. I feel like this moment is bittersweet because I was so happy my mother-in-law came all the way from Ghana, all the way from Takrady. But unfortunately now it's time to go back. So it hurts me. I wish you could stay longer. Can you stay longer? We'll stay with you in Kenya.
I will be back.
Oh, thank you. I will be waiting. We can get a chef who can make you Ghanaian food, so you won't suffer.
Okay. When I'll be back. I will try to prepare my food.
Okay, don't worry. I will make sure you have a chef here to make Ghana food. Guys, so heading to the airport. The flight is at 6, and now it's like 3.
Yes, our wife, let me talk my own. Miss Trudy lovers, I bet me una leave me. Oh, I know we una love and pass. Ah bon, qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Ah, laisse-moi tranquille. My people, as I watch this video including video when she said she not fit call other person mom, or she's finding it difficult to call her mother-in-law, you know. But this is the same video, nice her mother-in-law for the girl when she said, oh, my mother-in-law is leaving, you know. For me, I don't know, let me not go that part. Her mother-in-law is leaving. Oh, this her mother-in-law, she always dressed like this. Is it Ghana, you know, tradition? Yeah, that is our West Africa tradition. We always love to, you know, dress maybe with wrapper or skirts, you know, akara. That is material. We use it to sew clothes. We use one to tie our head. Most of this our mom, like me now, I don't think I'm used to it. As a Ghanaian wife, that is how you're supposed to be dressing. If maybe in my own place, Nigeria, where I come from, once there you are somebody's wife, you need to dress, tie wrapper, put on those kind of dress. Maybe if you are going to a occasion, they invite you for marriage, you know, yes, they invite you for marriage, naming ceremony, anything, you know, you need to dress like Africa wifey. Yes, that is why our mom dress. And secondly, say we gotta miss her. Yeah, you need to go back to Africa, to West Africa, where you find your love, the way our sister Africa Tigrate is looking for. Not after we marry you, you will still be running up and down to go Kenya. And that time you will stay in Nigeria. Before you marry, double think. Once you marry, is that place you marry, that place is your home. Like Miss Judy, like this, your mother-in-law now. Before, she's not in that family. They marry her to that family. The moment they marry you to that family, you automatic the family. You need to stay at home so that people will be meeting you. Not every minute. I pray everything you are doing in Kenya, I pray everything goes smoothly and everything, you know, they say anything starts. Everything that starts, it have its end, you know. I pray everything you are doing in Kenya, you should finish it. Not your mother-in-law is coming back. Your mother-in-law can come back to visit your dad, to visit your family, but not you staying back in Kenya. Your mother-in-law will be running up and down. No, 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 no. Go and stay your husband's house, okay? I pray everything should, you know, everything should go fast so that you go and stay your house. Now, Ghana is your house. Ghana is your home. You and my mom now, you guys need to come together, mother-in-law and daughter-in-law, you know, try to learn something. As far as she's still young now, she have a lot to teach you. You have luck now. She's young. She still have a lot to teach you. Go and meet her so that she will teach you, so that you will enjoy your marriage. Okay? So that you will enjoy your marriage. Not you giving her chef in Kenya. I believe anytime our sweet mom, she's leaving West Africa to Kenya, I believe that day, she will pack or packable. Don't go there. Oh. This thing that she passed through, her son will say, Mom, hey, let's not trucking, let me be, let me pack my goodies, haba, you see, Maya will say, Mommy, let me pack my things so that I will enjoy my stay in Kenya. Because the last time I went to Kenya, I hear wamba. In fact, I smell, let me be, let more trucking. Let's match racket. That is, leave me, you know, to be myself. Leave me alone. Now be let's match racket. You know, when Miss Judy, they say they miss and that part, I say, wow, they miss your mother-in-law. Don't worry. Your mother-in-law, they go home. May you go meet her for home. Kenya is not longer your home again. West Africa is your home now. Okay? Go and meet your husband so that, for me, distance relationship, married, me, I don't like him. No be say tomorrow now our brother will come, they will come, they say, hey, Maya, na cheater, Maya. No, go and meet your husband, though. This distance French marriage, not good. I pray everything you are doing, you do it fast, okay? So that you go and meet your husband. Go and meet your husband, though. Go and meet your husband. I know why. Go and meet your husband. You don't mean say you meet your husband every day now. No, if you stay with your husband, you say but it's good you dey around your husband, okay, than you dey Kenya, your husband dey Ghana, where the marriage inside. I no understand though. No be say na visa na wanted they go there. I know say Maya they always dey come Kenya, but for me, go your home, go stay your house. Your house na Ghana, no be Kenya again. Abi na the house when you build or when you buy na make am. Me I no go deep o. Say they will say woman when get property to stay husband house e dey hard. No let us look you like that too. Many people still get property but they dey their husband house, except you get wetin you dey do when dey but if you not get wetin you dey really dey do when it's strong, you can take treatment for Ghana. You can see daughter for Ghana. If not that thing not dey strong, you just feel like you dey Kenya. For me, no, go back home, okay? You get your house for Kenya, you go fit put rent, then you dey your husband house. Because our West Africa people they say woman when get property, when build house, they don't they stay husband house. Me, I don't want to look you like that too. I don't want to start using that eye. I be this our wife now because she get property, property for Kenya. Now make she not want to stay one place for Ghana. I be she they mix her dad. No, woman, we know we the ladies. Once you reach 30 years, man never marry you. Your parents, they panic. What did they happen? My daughter never married. My daughter never leave my house. Then you can't see somebody when carry your daughter come out, go another place. We not dey panic. We dey happy. Na joy to us. Na joy to your dad. But for me, I wish you any good thing when you dey do. I wish you the best. But not look and say, because you say you don't enjoy our food, our West Africa food, our Ghanaian food. But I don't really know the reason why you dey Ghana till now and you dey Kenya till now. I pray may you do everything so that may you go meet your husband. As your husband one day, if your husband travel or not travel together is good. If your husband travels, they're supposed to meet you for house. Yeah, supposed to meet you for house, For me, I pray say everything they okay and you they enjoy your marriage. Because see you like this now, me I don't want break table. Because if I want break table, I'll use cutlass and take cut down. See you like this now, I don't understand though, my wifey. Okay, not let us see you like lady who get property when not they stay husband house. So go and stay your husband house, okay? Your husband house is not your house. It's not your full house. I wish you good luck. I wish Maya good luck. I wish all your, family good luck. And I wish our sister Africa Tigrate, who they wait for Nigeria husband. Yes, so everybody don't say, I not be only me one talker. Africa Tigrate, they wait for Nigeria husband. Comment a talker. Me, when I sit down for here, I talk her for my first video where I analyze for her video. She loved Nigeria husband. She loved Nigeria guys. She said she felt date Nigeria guy before. She really loved Nigeria guy. I can't wait for you to find one. I know say our Nigeria guys, if they want follow another outside that lady, that girl they carry on. That girl they fine. Like our wife is Sharon. You can see those girls that they pick the beautiful one. They like better thing. Please, my beautiful people, let me end it here. Till I meet you in my next video. On my returning, I do appreciate every one of you. May the good Lord bless you guys all. Please give me thumbs up. The quality of this video, 90 don't reach. Yes, 90 don't reach. After 8, almost to 9, 90 don't reach. I know who on the ring light. The reason why I know they on ring light, they affect my eye. Yes, they affect my eyes. Not I don't have ring light. Till I meet you in my next video. Then I see the clouds.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default.